Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you all well. Good. I have brought you a very awesome video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion with M Sultan. Today's video, if you love coffee and want to create your own coffee bar at home, you are in the right place. Today we will be showing you how to design a stylish and functional coffee bar that you can enjoy every day. Step 1. Choose the perfect location. First, let's talk where to place your coffee bar. Best corner in your kitchen and living room. It should be a spot where you can easily access everything you need, like your coffee maker, cups, and ingredients. Step 2. Pick the right coffee. Now let's pick the coffee maker. There are lot of options to choose from. If you like a strong coffee, go for an espresso machine. For something simple. Step 3. Make sure you have all the essential fresh coffee beans and coffee filter, milk, sugar, and cups. You can also add some fun things like flavors, syrups, or different type of milk. Step 4. Add stylish storage. To keep your coffee bar looking neat, use jars or small containers for your beans, sugars. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. Step 5. Decorate your coffee bar. Let's add some personal touch. You can use sleeve to store cups, mugs, or every coffee related decorations. Plants, candles, and soft lights can also make the space feel cozy and inviting. If you have not subscribed to my channel before, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Will not skip the video.